Good morning, children. Today we will continue discussing exercise 3.3. So in the last class we have already discussed about question number 3, Roman number 2. So today we will be doing Roman number 4. So in these questions, so it is already given or it is clearly mentioned that we need to follow the substitution method. So in the last question also we have followed the substitution method. For this question number 4, so we will be following the elimination method, and this 6 we will be doing by substitution method. So it is up to you whichever method you follow. That is, we have already discussed about the substitution method, elimination method and the cross multiplication method, but in this case that number 4 will be following the elimination method, and the last one, that number 6, will be following the substitution method. So question number 4, it is given the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. So what are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? That means for to travel by a taxi, so two charges are there. That is a fixed charge, so that means whenever we just take the taxi, we need to pay the fixed charge, and for each kilometer, so there is another one charge, and if both the charge add up, so that is the amount that we have to pay as a rent. So it is given that when a person is traveling 25 km, we need to find the amount of money he need to pay. That means we need to calculate, first we need to calculate the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer, and then when we add these two, we will get the answer. So let the fixed charge be rupees X and the charge per kilometer be rupees Y. So according to the question, so it is given in the first condition, for distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. So therefore the fixed charge which remains same, as soon as we rent the taxi, we need to pay the fixed charge. So therefore X plus per kilometer charge, if it is Y, then for 10 km it will be 10Y equals 105. That since the total amount it is given as rupees 105. Again in the second condition, it is given for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. So therefore X, which is the fixed charge, plus for 15 km the charge paid will be 15Y is equals to 155. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So as we can see, so these are very simple equations. So if we follow the elimination method, it will be easy for us to find the answer, although it is given in the question to follow the substitution method, unless it is not clearly mentioned in the exam. So you can follow any one of the methods. So let us follow the elimination method in this case. So equation 2 minus equation 1, as we can see that in both the cases X and X is there. So here also X, and in the second equation also X is there. So directly we can subtract. That is equation 2 minus equation 1 implies X plus 15Y is equals to 155 minus X plus 10Y is equals to 105. So after the calculation we get Y is equals to 10. Now putting value of Y in any one of these equations. So let us put in equation 1, we get X plus 10Y is equals to 105, that is the equation 1. So if we put the value of Y, that is 10, so it becomes 100. So therefore 105 minus 100, so it becomes 5, that is the value of X is 5. So hence the fixed price is rupees 5 and the charge per kilometer is rupees 10. So to travel a distance of 25 km, a person need to pay X plus 25Y, because the fixed charge plus for 25 km it will be 25Y. So that is 5 plus 25 into 10, it is 250, that is 5 plus 250, it is rupees 255. So this is the answer. So this is the amount that a person need to pay to travel 25 km. Now the last question, it is given that 5 years ago the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son, and 5 years Hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years hence, that means after 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his sons. And 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So we need to find the present ages. So let the present age of Jacob be x years and the present age of his son be y years. Now 5 years hence, that means after 5 years the age of Jacob will be x plus 5. If the present age is x, so after 5 years it will be x plus 5. And similarly the age of son will be y plus 5. According to the question, it is given that after 5 years age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So age of Jacob, which is x plus 5, is 3 times that of his son. That means 3 into y plus 5. So if we simplify, we get x minus 3y is equals to 10. So take this one as equation 1. Also 5 years ago, which is the second condition, 5 years ago the age of Jacob is x minus 5 and the 5 years ago age of son is y minus 5. So it is given that 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son, The age of Jacob, that is x minus 5, is 7 times, that is 7 into y minus 5, 7 times that of the age of son. So if we simplify this, so after simplification we get that x is equals to we get x minus 7y is equals to minus 30. So take this one as equation 2. So this is equation 1, x minus 3y is equals to 10, and equation 2 is x minus 7y is equals to minus 30. This is equation 2. So here we will apply the substitution method. From this equation 2 itself we can write that if we take 7y to the other side it becomes 7y minus 30. So let us take this as equation 3. Now putting value of x, so this is the value of x. Since we have obtained the value of x from equation 2, so therefore we need to substitute the value of x in equation 1. So if we obtain the value of x from 1, then we will be substituting in value in the equation 2. But since we obtain the value of x from equation 2, so therefore we will substitute in equation 1. That is the rule of substitution. So now putting the value of x in equation 1, we get, that is x minus 3y is equals to 10. So therefore the value of x is 7y minus 30 minus 3y is equals to 10. So as we have already found the value of x, which is 7y minus 30. So therefore in place of x we are putting this one, 7y minus 30. So 7y minus 3y, it is 4y minus 30. This 30 goes to the other side, it becomes 40. So 4y is equals to 40, y is equals to 40 divided by 4, this is 10. Now putting the value of y in equation 3 we get, so this is equation 3, x is equals to 7y minus 30. So therefore x is equals to, the value of y is 10. So therefore 7 into 10 minus 30. So therefore the value of x is 40. So therefore the present age of Jacob is 40 years and the present age of son is 10 years, because the value of y is 10. So therefore the present age of son is 10 years, and since the value of x is 40, therefore the present age of Jacob is 40 years. So that's all for today. Remaining we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.